this video, I'll be showing you how to use Canva AI Switch. What is Canva AI Switch? Canva AI Switch is an AI tool on Canva that helps you to switch your design or document from one format to the other, or from one size to the other. For example, you want to switch a design that is for Facebook size to a YouTube size. You can switch it immediately. So this AI Switch switches your design or your document, whatever you're working on Canva, to any other size or format or shape you want it, and everything will be normal without distortion. So let's look at how this AI Switch works. You open any design or your work on Canva. So we'll be using this. You tap on this double square icon or rectangular icon with a star. You tap on it. Please understand that the position of this icon may not be the same in your phone. So wherever it is, just tap on it. When you tap on it, so over here, you can switch this into a document. You can see transform to doc. Then you can as well switch this into maybe any other size you want. For example, you want to switch it into a social media size. When you click on social media, it will bring out different sizes for you to switch. Can you see it? So, but for this, let us switch it into a document. You click on transform to doc. So you're going to select the format. Do you want all the text? Do you want summary, blog post, poem? However you want it. I will select all text and I'll click on transform to doc. You can see that it's done. So you can click open doc. Can you see? All the pages have been translated into a document file. Can you see it? This is now a document file. So let's look at how we can use the AI Switch tool to resize the image to a different size. Let's go back to the image we are working with. So this is the image we are working with. Let's click on the AI Switch tool. So let's choose a size. Let me click on social media. So I want to transform this into TikTok, all pages. I just want to transform page 1. So I'm going to transform this into TikTok size. I selected TikTok. So this image, so this design will be transformed into a TikTok size using this AI Switch tool. Copy and resize. Click on copy and resize. Click open. This has been transformed into TikTok size video. You can see it. This is beautiful. Now let's transform this again into Facebook size. Click on the AI Switch tool. Let me go to social media. Let's select Facebook. Select Facebook cover. Click on continue. Let's just resize the design. Click on resize the design. Can you see it has resized it to Facebook cover size? So this is how the Canva AI Switch tool works. I hope you understand it and make use of it to easily resize your images and transform them from one shape to the other, or from image to document.